You have bad credit. Stop. See, learn how to remove negative items from your credit report using consumer laws. And I've wrote a step-by-step system that anyone can use, even a 10-year-old. Just follow the steps. You'll be able to start repairing, rebuilding, and restoring your own credit. Because see, what the problem is, and what a lot of people are scared to do is face the music. And the music sounds like this. You have bad credit. You need to pull the credit report. You need to look at it. You need to get your highlighters, if I can find mine. Hello. Get your highlighters, highlight inaccuracies on your credit report. And after you highlight these inaccuracies, okay, what makes them inaccurate? Is the name spelled wrong? Is it the wrong address? Is it somebody's name that's on the credit report that should not be there? There are many things that could make the information on your credit report inaccurate. So, what do you need to do? Clean it up. Clean it up, baby. Clean up the credit report. You can use forbidden credit. You can use the power of FICO. You could use the do for self, or you could use all three. It doesn't matter which one you use, you will get negative items deleted from your credit. The link will be in the description, but before you go to the link, let's look at some statistics. The problem is millions of consumers are struggling with collections, late payments, denied application, damaged credit reports, right? The truth is credit repair companies and creditors, they must follow strict rules. So credit repair companies, they have to follow guidelines to make sure that they are fixing your credit properly. Consumer reporting agencies have to follow even stricter guidelines because reporting inaccurate information is or should be their top priority. 15 USC 1681 EB, right? Debt collectors. Debt collectors, debt collectors. These scum of scums who don't report inaccurate information, calls you up late at night, early in the morning, tells you owe them a debt like you and them had some form of contract, harass you, sue you. Oh my God. Wouldn't you like to know how to punch a debt collector in the damn throat? Wouldn't you like to just punch a debt collector in the throat? Anyway, while you reminisce on that, right? So, so the Forbidden Credit Cleanup System is a step-by-step system that I made for fixing your credit. It's super easy, super, super easy. Guys, I've built an 800 credit score 3 times in 1 year. It is not hard to build a 800, 700 plus credit score, all right? So if you have bad credit, your credit starts with a 3, 4, 5, or 6, and you need credit repair, you don't have to pay an expensive credit repair company. You can do it yourself. Get all three, right? Get all three. Go read it, fix your credit. The link will be below. I will see you at the Good Credit Club because the Bad Credit Club admission, it is too expensive. See you later.